What is up, guys? It's your boy Lex Money Crypto, and in today's video we're gonna jump into Bitcoin. But before we do, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. You sub to me for the Lex Money algorithm. Now let's get into the market. Well, will you look at that, guys? Looks like we've recaptured our ascending level of support for now. Guys, Bitcoin is at 34.4k. We had a massive pump up yesterday, and we continued the pump early hours of this morning into today. So guys, we're going to look into crypto. We're going to find out what caused this pump. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know, and then we're going to see if we can be expecting a further rally and what this means for the altcoins. So if you're new here, guys, these lines represent all of our buy zones so far. So beginning of the year, we got in for 15.5. Then we got in a smaller amount for around 21k when we were waiting for 20. And then we got in again at 25.2, guys. So far, we've been doing really well with our accumulation levels. And again, we have been waiting for pullbacks this whole way. We haven't been FOMOing into these pumps. We've been accumulating on the pullbacks, guys. And we're getting so close to the end of the year, guys. We're expecting a green October, November, or December. Maybe a red month out of one of those three. However, we knew that 25k was not going to stay here for long, guys. And if you look at the previous levels of resistance, guys, you'll see that we've got a nice resistance area around anywhere between 36 and 40k. And a lot of people have been expecting a 40k by the end of the year, and we didn't think it was impossible, guys, because remember, the closer that we get, the more bullish narratives, the more bullish news articles are going to come out. However, we have to be prepared for pullbacks. This may pump up to like 38k and then retrace, and we have to recapture this before we actually put in another long trade or maybe a long margin trade, guys. So again, don't dump your whole bag into these things. Yeah, things may start to really take off. You're seeing like Solana, you're seeing Chainlink, you're seeing pretty much a lot of the alts actually go insane right now, but our time to be DCAing was all the way here. Okay. BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF is now listed on the Nasdaq trade clearing firm. So ETF analyst Eric said that the addition was all part of the process of crypto ETF being listed and trading, a positive sign for SEC approval. The iShares Spot Bitcoin ETF proposed by investment firm BlackRock has been listed on the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation. Guys, the more ETFs that start to roll in for us, honestly, you're going to see so much money roll into the market. I think it's something like 200 trillion ready to be deployed into the crypto world. We're at like a $1 trillion market cap. We'll check that in a minute on CoinMarketCap. But guys, 200 trillion, what does that mean for Bitcoin and altcoins? It means that we have a very fruitful 2024 and 2025, guys. And you'll see here as well last night that Grayscale caught victory over SEC in spot Bitcoin ETF case made final. So Grayscale's application to convert its GBTC to a spot ETF will now be reconsidered by the SEC. And guess what? F the SEC. They're going to be a laughingstock in the future for how much they try to suppress Bitcoin and crypto and the general crypto market, and how hard they're going to fail, guys, because they are going to fail. It's inevitable. A lot of these expert analysts, they say, have no idea why this wasn't approved, and a lot of analysts say this should have been approved 5 years ago, you know. Now, one thing to be careful of, guys, if you are a active leverage trader, crypto traders suffer over 100 million of short liquidations as Bitcoin hits 3-month high over 31k, which a lot of people did not think. They thought we're going back to 20, they thought we're going back to 15, retouch the bear market lows. We could have some sort of pullback, guys, so let's be careful with all of the leverage longs that you guys do. Again, you can still spot trade and stuff and have your sell orders at certain prices, but 100 million of short liquidations, that's a lot, and that's obviously what is continued to pump the price even higher. Now, I saw this yesterday, made me laugh. BlackRock Spot ETF, SEC. It's inevitable. It's inevitable in my humble opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What do you think the next ETF is going to be? Who do you think is going to be the first to get approved? How many are going to get approved in 2024 and 2025? I think it's going to be quite a few. I'm sure as one starts going, the ball's going to roll, and it's going to be harder for the SEC to try and shut down all these ETFs. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. This also super resonated with me, guys. Your friends, yeah, you guys watching the video right now, your friends are going to buy Bitcoin at 100k, and I promise you they are. My friends are going to buy Bitcoin at 100k. They were trying to buy Bitcoin at 60k last cycle, guys. I told them don't do it. Told them don't go all in. What did they do? I said it's better to accumulate over time, and no, but I've seen you make money now, so let me get in. Yeah, I've made money because I was in early. And again, 30k, probably not too worried about it now. In a couple of years, we're going to be looking at 30k like, holy crap, we should have just bought more even though it was 30k. But the dumb money is going to be buying at 100k, guys. And are we dumb money on this channel? We are smart money, and we follow smart money concepts as well, guys. And then lastly, guys, if Bitcoin breaks 29k, it's going to 69k. There's going to be a lot of chartists out there who are going to have all these technical indicators to say this is going to happen, this is going to happen then, because this has breached this level, blah, 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 blah. Again, guys, stick to the fundamentals if you're not the best at charting. Obviously, charting is going to be good for traders, but in the broader landscape of things, guys, Bitcoin is going to be at 69k. It's going to go over 69k in the next year and beyond. So it's all a matter of time, to be honest. If you're bullish on crypto and you're bullish on Bitcoin, you should know that 29k is not going to be here forever. And now 34k is not going to be here forever, while there may be pullbacks. But again, don't put your whole eggs in one basket based on a chart or based on technical indicators. Remember the fundamentals and remember the end goal as well, guys, because we're going to be laughing this time next year, this time 2025, we're going to be laughing. Channel's going to be completely different. We're all going to be in a different space in our lives. And that's all because of the work that we're putting in now, guys. So again, well done to everybody who has been watching the videos, been accumulating, been buying, even whatever bags you're buying, you're probably doing well right now. So let me know what bags you have been buying, and let me know what you think of this Bitcoin pump. Is it going to be here to stay? Is it going to be a flash crash, by the end of October? Who knows? Let me know in the comments. But until next time, it's been your boy, Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you guys in the next one, gang. Peace.